Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you a simple trick to type something in your own language. Whether you're having a conversation with your friend on WhatsApp, Instagram, or whichever application you're using, if you're chatting with your friend, you can directly chat in your own language. Means whatever you type, that will be shown in your own native language. And what the special trick in here is, we can directly speak with the speaker instead of typing. So I'll show you. This is very interesting. And now this is possible with Google keyboard, which is gboard. So if you don't have that, you can go to Play Store and download that gboard. So click on this space symbol here, space. Okay. A pop-up will be appeared like this. Click on language settings. Click on add keyboard. So now I'm adding one of the uh, native language, means own language of your choice. There are different languages you can choose with whatever language. For example, I'll take this Tamil as an example. Click on done. See here, make sure this is enabled multilingual typing and click on done. Yes, see here, ABC to Tamil, and this is added. Click on back and again press on this space symbol and choose this language. Now if I type how, it will be coming in English only. But if I speak something, how are you, yes, see here, where are you going. What I'm doing is I am pressing on this voice recorder here. I am pressing on this voice recorder and speaking in English only. And what I am speaking, those words are converted, means not the translation here exactly. The same words are being typed in that selected language. So if anyone wants to do or wants to type in their own native mother tongue, they can do this instead of typing. Just by speaking with the voice texting, you can do that. See, I'll show one more. I'll add one more keyboard like Telugu. Done. Press on back. I'll change the language here to Telugu. How are you? Okay. Again, I'll give some voice in English, and that will be as it is shown in Telugu language. Where are you going? So, if you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, you please do share it to your friends so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.